Hello, Ellen Petronella here with another soothing, calming, nervous system grounding embroidery video. We'll be stitching together for a few minutes into my travel stitch journal. I've now attached the different spreads, and as you can see, I'm using architectural embroidery designs as my spreads, and I'm now starting to stitch some text and locations into it, such as the last video. In case you missed it, I was embroidering these monstera plants onto this design, and I then stitched Crystal Palace of Madrid onto it because I'm so sorry for any Spanish folks watching this, but I mistook this design for Barcelona, and actually it's Madrid. So thank God for embroidered lettering to add into our embroidery stitch journals. I'll be doing this on most of the designs and adding little details to just really marvel into the joy of stitching into stitch journal. In case it's the first time you're seeing this type of embroidery book, do check out the link below where I have a free workshop on how I put my embroidery journals together. You'll be able to find the links to all of the patterns as well, because these are architectural hand embroideries that I have for sale in my shop. So you're able to put together your own travel stitch journal based on the locations that you've been. So this morning I am soaking up my vitamin D and vitamin stitch, it's my new joke, outside in my garden, and I'm stitching today's reminder, the sound of nothing. And what do you think I'm gonna write here? The sound of nothing urgent. Oh, I just feel the exhale as I just talk about it, as I write it. The wonderful blessing about embroidering a stitch journal as opposed to just a regular journal where you might write or draw or paint, whatever type of journal. This slow aspect of hand embroidery allows you to really sit with the messages that you are stitching into your journals. So the sound of nothing urgent. So I was embroidering it this morning. I just felt this big exhale. I'm going to do a little full stop here, making a really short stitch. Just felt the exhale. I can hear the birds. I can hear, for me, sound of nothing urgent is the coffee that is brewing inside in the morning. I don't know, what do you think about when you hear the sound of nothing urgent? I embroidered it onto this design from south of Europe, feeling like it's just the visual kind of representation of the sound of nothing urgent. I'll be stitching some of those things. So what did I just say? I believe coffee. I have to write coffee here. I'll do that. Actually, I'll flip the page. I'll flip the page over, and I'll write it in this way. Why? Oh, sorry, I just pulled it through a bit too quickly. Why did I flip it? Because I can, because it's fun, because it adds fun textures. So one of the most common questions that I get when it comes to the stitch journal concept is actually how to embroider text. So depending on when you're watching this, in case it's before Sunday, this Sunday I'm hosting a live experience where we will be stitching text together into our stitch journals. If you don't have a stitch journal yet, again, do check out the link below. Get the free workshop, get started putting it together. You can also, of course, show up to the live experience and embroider or work on anything you want, or just participate and watch it. It's this Sunday. I'll put a link for registering just right below this video, and in case it has already passed, do check out below for information about how you can learn more. writing coffee. So most of the time when I'm embroidering text, I'm freestyling it. So there are different approaches to embroider text. You can choose to transfer, write it with a pen in beforehand if you want to choose a particular font or something like that. I love the freedom of just stitching it loosely into it, flipping the pages around, varying the thickness of my stitches, which is a frequent recurring element that I am also shifting when it comes to the visual designs. Shifting the thickness of your floss is going to have a massive impact on the final result of your stitchery, whether it's text. Up, this little thread here is bothering. Up. Whether it's about lettering, whether it's about just a visual design, it's not just about the technique itself, but vary the thickness of the floss, and you're immediately going to see the impact it has. Equally, flip the page around. This just made it so much more fun to write coffee on the side. I'm going to keep, I think, writing a little bit of a list here with all of the sounds that I'm thinking about. The sound of nothing urgent. Just really lingering in that thought becomes a meditation of its own. I'm finishing up here coffee. I'm not going to be doing it too long this morning. Really just sharing with you the practice of some grounding stitches that I have built as a habit. Morning, sometimes it happens in the afternoon, but I try to do a couple of stitches every day, and I've noticed an incredible difference. There we go. Coffee. The sound of nothing urgent. Coffee. I'll be adding more to my list. Do let me know in the comments. What would you add? What is the sound of nothing urgent for you? Is it the bird singing? Is it, oh, I know. It's the sound of pulling your needle through the fabric, and it's just this swooshing sound. That's the sound of nothing urgent. The slowness of embroidery is a blessing of its own, isn't it? Just allowing us to land inside of our bodies when, especially in this time when it sometimes feels like everything is passing by so quickly and there are so many stressors around in every single aspect, in every single way. Get yourself an embroidery stitch journal. All right, check out the link for how I put mine together and how you can too, as well as the patterns. And of course, if you're watching this in time for May 3rd, Sunday, do check out to join me for the live experience where I will be embroidering text together with you, answering your questions, and we'll just be having a wonderful time together, creatives from all over the world. Art is truly something that brings people together, and I think we need togetherness, human experiences, though with the help of some digital tools to just make it happen, bringing us together over the shared passion of arts. Yes, all the information are in the links below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.